In this video, we are in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park once again, and we are doing the Deep Creek Waterfall Loop. Find this loop on all trails. It's outside of Bryson City, North Carolina, and it will have three pretty nice waterfalls along the way. You will see the Juney Whank Waterfall, the Indian Creek Waterfall, and the Tom Branch Waterfall. Now, this is about a 2.5-mile trek through the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It's easy to moderate, a little bit of incline gain for about a mile at the beginning, but then it goes downhill and levels off. Just about anybody can do this. And then once we are finished, we're also going to take you into Bryson City for the Bryson City Brewery, which will give you a little bit of insight of what we had there, and you'll find out how to hike this hike coming up right now. Okay, the Juney Whank Loop. This is the Deep Creek Trail we're taking. This is a Deep Creek 3 waterfall loop. And we just left the parking lot and starts uphill. According to all trails, this should be about 2.5 miles. Shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully the waterfalls are flowing. Looks like they could be, because here's a small one to start off. A lot of rain the last couple days in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Juney Whank Falls to the right. Okay, about a 1/4 mile in on the hike, and we come to Juney Whank Falls. All right, after leaving that, we're still on the Juney Whank Loop Trail, and we will end up taking another trail, horse trail, on through the back to hit the other 2 waterfalls on this 3 waterfall loop. Should be pretty decent. I said earlier, a lot of rain past couple of days, so hoping to see some good waterfall action. And here we go, the Deep Creek Trail, the way we're going. Now, here you can finish the Juney Whank Loop right after that, or continue the Deep Creek Horse Trail, which is what we're doing to make the longer loop to Indian Creek Trails and Tom Branch Falls. Now you can continue going down that way if you want, but it makes the way to get to the other falls and out and back. This makes it a loop, so at least we get to walk through the woods. Get to see some different trail. So far, this area of the trail, not too crowded. It is about lunchtime though, maybe 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, roughly 3/4 of a mile in and still going up. Seen a few hikers making their way down right now, but we still have a decent climb to go.
About the first mile of this is all uphill, and then it starts to go downhill. I think it gets a lot easier from this here on out to the other 2 waterfalls. So really nice trail, easy other than the incline, some roots, rocks, but not too bad. Wide open forest, very peaceful here. And as we're continuing down about 1.3 miles into this hike, you can hear Deep Creek running off to our right. Here soon we will end up hitting a side trail to go to Indian Creek Falls. The trail goes to the right. There is a cemetery that goes that direction, 0.2 miles up. Excuse me, 0.7 miles to the cemetery. Up that way. We're going this way. A little over 1.4 miles, we come to this bridge. Okay, Deep Creek Horse Trail here. So when you come to this junction just past the bridge, we're almost at 1.5 miles, just under. You will see this sign, Tom Branch Falls, Indian Creek Falls, and Indian Creek Trail to the right, and the loop trail 0.9 for the Deep Creek. We're going to the right to make this loop. Okay, you can go down and look at the Deep Creek and Indian Creek right there. There's no tubing beyond this point. Now this is a very popular area for tubing. Hiking up here, putting the tubes in and riding them down the creek. We came across that bridge and you'll see this sign right here. And we are going to go to Indian Creek Falls, only a couple hundred feet this way. Here is Indian Creek Falls. Okay, that was a pretty good waterfall. Again, it's rained pretty good the last couple of days, so if you're going to chase waterfalls, do it the day after a rain. Okay, we're about 2 miles into the hike, and little benches here before this actual trail continues on. Peaceful little place to sit and have a snack if you wanted. Okay, 2.2 miles in, and we are coming up onto the Tom Branch Waterfall. All right, we're at 2.3 miles into this hike, and right here, see these signs? Deep Creek Trail, but the Juney Whank Trail, the one we could have come down and split off. Instead, we did that larger loop. See the other two waterfalls to make it one loop? Comes this way. So if you come down from Juney Whank, down this trail, you can see the other two waterfalls by just taking that trail as an out and back. Wrapping up the trail. We are at 2.5 miles and we are coming to the parking lot. There's where the trail started on the loop, going clockwise, and here's where we will end it now. There's plenty of parking here right now in April, maybe in the heat of summer. Becomes a little more busy, so you might want to come early. But overall, as far as some of the other places here in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, parking's not too bad here. And remember, you must have a valid parking tag and be displayed if you're parking in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park for any time longer than 15 minutes. Bryson City Brewing. Even the smallest hikes deserve a reward. Okay, this is the Bryson City Brown Ale. Very good brown ale. Okay, the dark ones are Sriracha bourbon, and the lighter ones are a sweet chili. We'll see how they taste. They look pretty good. This is a very cool place. The food was fantastic. A little stage there. Plenty of outdoor seating. Looks like another stage. Going in over here. Outdoor bar. A fantastic place to have a beer, have some wings, some food. Spend a nice afternoon in Bryson City.
An unforgettable adventure awaits at the Deep Creek Waterfall Trail. Nature at its finest. After soaking in the beauty of the Great Smoky Mountains, why not reward yourself with some delicious food and a beverage of your choice? Just a short drive away in Bryson City, the Bryson City Brewing offers a perfect spot to unwind. Great food, craft beer, and a welcoming atmosphere. The ideal way to end the day of exploration. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to share, like, and subscribe for more trails and tasty spots to visit. We'll see you next time right here at Bushes on the Trail.